Angela, and you can call me Miss Angela. I will be your tour guide today. Welcome to SMPK 4 Penabur, and this is the bilingual section. We are part of the SPK Penabur in Kelapa Gading, of course. And this is the front, at the front of the building. Take a look here. Of course, we are in the middle of a pandemic situation. Therefore, we want to keep it clean. And we would like to also undergo the procedure of social distancing. And first of all, we provide this so that we can clean up our hands before we even enter the building. Let's take a look. So don't miss it. This is like at the end of the left of SPK Penabur building. So you can see our lift here is small and humble, but it will give you a ride till the 5th floor. So I'm currently at the front of the elevator that will take us for a ride to the 5th floor. Remember that every single morning, you don't want to be late for school, right? That's why you have to come early, because we need to queue before we even enter. Let's get inside. The 5th floor, we have arrived. Yay. Take a look at this, our logo. SMPK 4 Penabur, Kelapa Gading. Welcome! If you can see, surround us pictures that have been created by the students of SMPK 4 Penabur, especially the bilingual students. Yeah? Aren't they great? Right? And of course, the trophies of our achievement. We're really proud of our students. We're hoping that you will add to our collections later on. The corridor is quite long, so you might be tempted to run. However, you are already secondary students, right? And of course, you must not run in the corridor. Please just walk elegantly. We have got plenty of rooms here. Usually, the students, especially from the Students' Council, they can have a meeting in one of those rooms. We have here, it's called the meeting room, where the Student Councils usually have their meeting. We have got the dance room, if you are interested in joining the dance class, as well as the extracurricular program, so you might likely use that room. So here we have the health center. If you are feeling ill at school and you need to take a rest for a while, you may use the room. And don't worry, there is a toilet inside, so that it is convenient if you need to go to the toilet. You don't need to travel so far outside. Okay, this is the health center. Okay, so for those who would like to take care of your administration business, you may go to administration office here. Miss Henny will help you. And for the students who need certain guidance, or maybe you would like to ask something, you ask for some advice, you can go and visit our counselor. We have here the guidance and counseling room for the students. Don't worry, it is private, so that you don't need to worry that everyone can hear your conversation. And of course, we have to keep it private. Okay? More achievement, trophies. You might want to go meet your teachers after class, or maybe you have got some appointment. You can visit your teachers here. This is a teachers and staff room. The teachers usually have or conduct the morning devotion early in the morning before we lead the students in morning devotion as well. So that you can tell that our teachers also prepare ourselves spiritually in order to run the day well. So we have got the science lab for bilingual students, of course, and this is for biology as well as the physics class. Okay. the students when they are playing their role in a musical drama for the purpose of English drama presentation. Yes, so actually these are also made by the students. Our students are really creative. This is where you can do your art and craft in this room. And the vice principal room, if you need to meet our principal or vice principal. This is the library. Okay, our library is quite huge. We have got plenty of collection, and of course there are computers at the library that students can use in turn. You can have your electro if you join electro class, electronic practice room, right? These are the restroom for the students. We're heading towards the bridge right now, so we need to be careful, right? Remember, don't get tempted to run in the corridor, and not to mention the bridge. It's kind of dangerous. But of course, while doing so, this is actually enjoyable when talking to your friends and chatting during the recess. We have got the computer and language lab. Yeah? So when this pandemic situation is over, of course, we are hoping that we can overcome the problem soon. You can join us and have fun together. Again, these are the classrooms. Hall, or we can also call it the auditorium. You can see it for yourself. This is quite big, and we usually hold the big events here. And there you can see the screen. It's quite impressive, isn't it? That we can use for gathering or holding a service. The glass room. We have got two. The first one, this is the bigger glass room. And here is the smaller glass room. Join us in culinary. If you join the culinary, later on you can use this room. This is our kitchen. And of course, we do have some field where you can do your sports. And here is our swimming pool. Really hoping that we can use it again sooner than later. Another mirror so that you can make yourself tidy before you enter a classroom. We're almost done though. Only several rooms left. Yeah, we prepare the pot for evacuation, but of course we are hoping that we don't need it in the future. Other parts of the restroom for the students, so if your class is way too far from the other restrooms, not to worry, we have got restrooms too here. Alright, so I think that's all. You have already seen our classes and you have already seen our rooms. So I welcome you again to SMPK 4 Penabur, and I hope that we can cooperate well together. See you.